SciCuriousID presents a fascinating journey into the future of materials science. Prepare to explore a revolutionary concept that could change the world as we know it. Imagine a world where your phone case could magically heal its own scratches, making it look brand new again. Or picture your car's paint fixing itself overnight, erasing minor dents and dings without any effort from you. This isn't just a dream, it's becoming a reality.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
Welcome to the incredible world of self-healing polymers, a groundbreaking class of materials that possess the remarkable ability to repair damage on their own. Much like living tissue, these innovative substances can mend themselves, restoring their integrity and functionality after being subjected to wear and tear. For a long time, the very idea of materials that could heal themselves was confined to the realm of pure science fiction, a concept only found in futuristic novels and films. Scientists and engineers could only dream of such capabilities, as the technology simply didn't exist. However, this changed dramatically in 2001 when a pioneering team at the University of Illinois, under the visionary leadership of Professor Nancy Sotos and Scott White, achieved a monumental breakthrough. They successfully created the first true self-healing plastic, marking a pivotal moment in materials science history. Their ingenious design involved embedding tiny microcapsules within the plastic material. When the material experienced a crack or damage, these microscopic capsules would rupture, releasing a specially formulated healing liquid. This liquid would then flow into the damaged area and solidify, effectively acting like a sophisticated internal glue, filling the wound and restoring the material's structure. This innovative approach was directly inspired by biological processes, specifically how our own bodies heal cuts and wounds. Just as our blood contains platelets and clotting factors that work to seal an injury, forming a scab and allowing new tissue to grow, these self-healing polymers mimic that natural repair mechanism. The key difference, however, is that in these advanced materials, the healing process occurs chemically and entirely autonomously. There's no need for human intervention. The material itself detects the damage and initiates its own repair, making it a truly self-sufficient system. So, how exactly does this remarkable self-healing capability work? It's not a single mechanism, but rather a diverse field with several fascinating types of self-healing polymers, each employing unique strategies to mend themselves. The most well-known and foundational type, pioneered by the Illinois team, utilizes microcapsules filled with a healing agent. When the material is damaged and a crack forms, these tiny capsules burst open, releasing the healing agent. This agent then reacts with a catalyst, also embedded within the material, to polymerize and seal the damage, effectively welding the material back together. A more recent and equally innovative approach involves materials designed with reversible chemical bonds. Think of these bonds as molecular Velcro. They can detach and reattach, allowing the material to break and then reform its structure. This dynamic bonding provides a flexible and repeatable healing mechanism. When external stimuli such as heat, light, or even pressure are applied to these materials, the detached molecular bonds are prompted to reconnect. This re-establishment of the bonds effectively restores the material's original structure and properties, making the healing process repeatable multiple times. Even more advanced versions of self-healing polymers leverage dynamic covalent chemistry. In these sophisticated systems, the molecules themselves are designed to actively reconfigure and rearrange their bonds to close any gaps or damage that occurs within the material. It's a highly adaptive and efficient repair mechanism. It's truly like molecular teamwork, where the individual components of the material are constantly working in concert, detecting and fixing damage on command. This continuous self-repair capability promises to extend the lifespan of products and reduce waste significantly.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.